Hey everyone, welcome back to English with English. Here you are learning English tips, tricks and lot of techniques how to learn and speak English clearly and fluently. Thank you for coming back on English with English and to learn, grow and more faster with more great techniques. What I all want from you to hit the subscribe button and share with your friends and family. So on this channel I've been learning, I've been learning how to learn English alone. What is the right strategy we have to follow every single day, and we can become a great speaker from your own home wherever you live in your life. So in this video we are gonna to talk about the special topic today, where is the things and how to follow, how to boost our mind, how to train our brain to become a great speaker from your native place. No matter who you are, where you live, what do you do and what is your environment is that. So in this video we'll talk about why the English is quite tough for people who are not coming from English medium background and who are not going to abroad to learn English, or whose English is best of writing and reading but now he's great to speak this language. So this kind of content, and this is my topic today, we'll learn together. So stay for a long time and you will know what is the great strategy. So I will just tell you one more things here on this first point. What is the problem? We can understand, we can read, we can write, but we can't speak English. What is the tricks and what is the things? Do you know, most of the people, non-native people, when they are listening to other people, they are understanding perfectly, but when they are going to speak, they are lagging a lot. They are stuck in the sentences. They are just thinking what to do with that point, how to explain ourselves, what the sentence we have to talk about, even though a lot of person they are not able to think in their mother tongue and to translate into English. That is a problem. How to translate into their mother into English, but they don't know. So I'll tell you two tips. I will tell you actually in this video. I'll talk about two tips. If you will follow two tips, I will assure you will speak a better English of your life, believe me. So let's get started. What is the two tips we are gonna to just explain a lot, expose a lot, and how it will work with you. So first thing I will talk about, friend, here in this video, you know, the self-belief is the most important weapon and key where you can defeat anyone in the world, where you can learn anything in the world. So first of all, whatever knowledge you have, whatever school you have got and you have studied for, and whatever vocabulary, sentences and grammatical knowledge or your slangs or your rhythm you have, just be satisfied with that and believe on that. And after believing, just go in society and talk to people every single day. Find out people and talk to. Not find out customer care executive and talk to. Go on the social media and upload many kind of applications of free talking and talk to people. Believe yourselves. Don't be introvert. Being introvert, you'll get nothing. In the world, I'll tell you, there is no place where you'll be introvert and you will get success. So don't try to be introvert. A lot of people I've got in my life while teaching and while talking to them, they told that I'm introvert, I don't face people, and don't want to talk to that, the girl, the boy, and many kind of person. So don't do that. Just to believe on yourselves. Mistake will be happening with you. Mistake is the very necessary things and very genuine thing, very natural things will comes to you, but learn from your mistake and avoid a mistake every single day while repetitive activities. After lot of attempt, you will become great. So first tips is mine is today, just believe on yourselves. Look, if I don't believe on myself, why you will believe on me? If I don't like myself, why you will like me? So I have to like myself, I have to satisfy with myself, I have to just believe myself, then you will believe me. So if you believe on yourself, do you know what will happen with you? Your body language will be up, your confidence level will be up, and when you will face somebody, you will speak your incorrect sentences with confidence and your opponent will be glad with you. A self-believer always talk too much positively, always present themselves, just show themselves so strongly. So be too much confident. Believe on yourselves a lot. My second tips in this video for learning any kind of thing, to being success any kind of thing, is that don't underestimate a little bit habit. A small habit will really make you bigger person in the world, really make you biggest person in the world. So make and become consistent person. A small habit when goes consistently for a long time, really I cannot tell you how much impactful it would be, how much beneficial it would be. Just become consistent person in your life. Wherever you are, my dear friend, wherever you are, just start with a small quantity, start with the small activities and raise your that activities for a long time and see how miracle will happen. So be consistent person in your life, really be consistent person in your life, and see what the magic of the small habit, what is that, you will really glad. You know, a small habit how can impact you in your life. Let's take one example. I have teeth, you have teeth. A teeth I'm talking about, the shiny teeth. You have, I have, somebody have. How we keep our teeth so clean, you know, healthier, heal, strong, while doing 5-minute brush of your teeth. Only 5, 3, 2 or 6 minutes, and the teeth is quite clean, so sharp, so much productive, so much good. If you're not consistent to do brush 5 minutes every single day, your teeth will be dirty, colorful it would be. So this is a small habit will make you, my dear brother. Just start with a small quantity. Every marathon start with one step, from walking, from jogging, and at the end of their marathon, the runner runs with their full energy and they hit or they get success at first person, as a first person in the world. So you have to also start your habit with a small quantity, with a small, and a lot of video I made it, how to start the things of learning this language, how can you just grab it, how can you get it. So much easily. Just you have to follow. You will know how to do these things. And in upcoming video, I will just say you how to listen English with lot of entertainment, and your listening will be like hooray. And how to read, how to write, and how to start speaking in your life, and that will be very, very, very beneficial will be with you. Believe me, just do 2 things from today. Just wake up earlier in the morning, really early in the morning, and start your day too much positively, and be confident on yourselves, and start your every activities with a small amount of quantity, and go every single day. Follow it. If it will not work, you can comment me. I'm here with you to help you. Just for this video, I will really tell you, too short life is, my dear friend. Just if you want to achieve, so in your limit time, you have to be consistent, be confident, move on every single day, and get success. And your day, your life, your generation will proud on you. Thank you so much. Have a good day. And for now, I will tell you bye bye.